Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Hope you have a good time off, and I hope that you're finishing your legal research paper and presentation that is due this Sunday. It's really important that you complete these on time. A handful of you have already finished them, which I'm very thankful for, but many of you have yet to submit, and this is on a Friday night when I'm making this recording for next week. So I understand there's still 2 more days to submit the information, but be sure you do that in time. This video is in relation to week 10, so welcome to week 10. It's just a standard week. We're going to talk a little bit about different objectives that's related to Chapter 8 and make sure you review that information the way you should. You're going to have standard review questions within this module, so make sure you do those. But I really want to highlight the most important things. Since I'm posting this on a Friday, be sure you complete your legal research paper and presentation and do it by Sunday, because that's a big chunk of your grade. You want to make sure that you submit that work on time. I want to say that I appreciate all that you're doing. If you need anything, feel free to reach out. Thank you for those that have already, and I've been doing my best to review your paper so you're able to submit it on time and make sure you have an effective grade. So thanks for what you're doing. If you need anything, reach out, and I hope you're doing well.